Hello all of you, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see questions and answers class 9th chapter 1st from Moments book. First of all, we will see the first question. What are the things the child sees on his way to the fair? Why does he lag behind? Already we have discussed in our video that child went to fair with his parents and he saw many things in fair. Here is a list we will discuss. On his way to the fair, the child sees the following things. He saw toys that were displayed in the shop lined up on the way. And the second thing he saw, the vast mustard field which seemed like melting gold. And the third, there were brightly colored dragonflies, butterflies, and black bees which flapped their wings and sat on the flowers to suck nectar from them. In second and third point, the boy saw mustard field that is looking like a melting gold, and here he saw dragonflies and the butterflies that were sitting on a flowers and sucking the nectar from them. Point 4. He also saw little insects and worms along the footpath that were crawling out of the holes in the footpath to get sunshine. In the fourth point, the boy saw that little insects or the worms, they are coming from their holes and they are coming near the footpath to get the sunshine. Point 5th, the child saw a drop bird in the grove. The boy saw that the drop bird in the grove. A word grove means a small group of trees, especially one particular type. Now we will see the 6th point. Also, he saw hordes of people walking toward the fair. A word hordes means here as a very large number of people. Boy saw lot of people were walking towards the fair. The children often lagged behind because he would watch the different happenings around him. He would get attracted to these things and would stop in his way. Then his parents would walk ahead and he would be left behind. These all things we have discussed in our previous video. Those who have not seen the previous video, upside there is a I button. You can watch the full chapter from here. Here is written, the child often lagged behind because he would watch the different things. In the fair, he saw a snake charmer also there, and he saw flower seller also, and he saw the toy shop, and the little child saw the sweet shop. That's why he lagged behind and his parents would walk ahead. Now we will see the second question. In this fair, he wants many things. What are they? Why does he move on without waiting for an answer? Now we will see the answer. In the fair, the boy wanted the following things. First thing is, he wanted to buy a barfi from the sweetmeat seller. First of all, boy need a barfi from a sweet shop. Second thing, he wanted a garland of flowers from the flower seller. Third thing, next he saw a balloon seller and wanted a balloon. When he saw the snake charmer, he was attracted to the music of the flute and wanted to listen to it. Second thing, boy wanted garland of flowers from the flower seller. And the third thing, he need a balloon from the balloon seller. And the fourth thing, he want to listen a flute music that the snake charmer was playing. Fifth thing, he wanted to take a ride on the roundabout swing. In the fair, boy noticed that all men and women and the children were sitting in a roundabout. So the boy wanted to take a ride on the roundabout swing. The child moved ahead from all the stalls without waiting for a reply because he knew that his parents would not heed to his demands. He knew their replies in each case would be as follows. The boy moved forward because he knew that his parents is not going to fulfill his desire and whatever he want, so they will give such kinds of answer. We will see what kind of answer the parents will reply to the boy. For the Burfi, they would say that he was a greedy child. And the second thing, the garland of flowers would not be brought because it was considered cheap. And the third, they will replied, they would not buy him a balloon because he was grown up to play with it. Fourth and the last point, the parents will reply to the boy. The child's parents had warned him from listening to such unpleasant music as was played by the snake charmers. Boy knew the all things what the parents will reply to him, that's why he moved forward. Now we will see third question and its answer. When does he realize that he has lost his way? How have his anxiety and insecurity been described? Our word anxiety means a feeling of worry or fear. Here is our answer. When the child realized his demand for a ride on the roundabout, his parents did not reply. He moved his head up to look for them. It was then that he discovered that he had lost his way. His anxiety and insecurity have been described in the following ways. The child saw a hefty man with murderous eyes and got scared of them. A word hefty means big and strong or heavy. He ran here and there looking for his parents. His turban untied. His clothes became dirty. He was screaming at the top of his voice. Now we will see the fourth question and its answer. Why does the lost child lose interest in the things that he had wanted earlier? Here is our answer. The lost child loses interest in the things that he wanted earlier because now he is sad as he has lost his parents before getting anything of his choice like sweets, flowers, balloons, joy rides, and music. He wanted to reunite with his mother and father. Reunite means here to come together again. Now we will see the fifth question. What do you think happens in the end? Does the child find his parents? Here is our answer. The ending of the story is not given. I think that in the end, the boy finds his parents standing at the fair reception. Thus the child finds his parents and they reunite once again.